Hi guys, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for the perfect cleansing foam to add to your skincare routine? Well then look no further and let me introduce you to MAKEP's Safe Me Relief Moisture Cleansing Foam. For starters, I love that this is a gentle exfoliating cleanser. It does such a great job at removing the fine dust particles from your skin. I love that when you lather this product, it creates these little micro bubbles, which makes it stand out from any other cleansing foam that I personally have used. These micro bubbles are so special because they remove impurities, makeup, or any other light shades in an effective manner without irritating your skin. And this is a low irritant and mild acid foam thanks to the pH level of 5.5 that it has, which makes this cleanser perfect for people like myself who have sensitive skin, ensuring that there is no skin irritation whatsoever anytime that you use it. I absolutely love this cleansing foam. I prefer it over any other cleanser that I have, but that is just my point of view.